Okay, so it's not the greatest, but it's better than it was before. And a little bit of cheating involved, but instead of a large white sheet that I was using before, or medium-sized white sheet, um, box. So I basically used the box that was that the slime VR trackers were shipped in, and I just wanted to switch those two things out because it will give me more incentive to actually accelerate all of this other progress, and actually get started on that section of project. So, was there a lot that was done today? I mean, not in my opinion, but I am also commonly labeled as a pessimist. But we also can't go 150% like every single day. Otherwise, we'll probably end up like the very first marathon runner. Dead. Just of pure exhaustion. So, yeah, I think as long as some progress was made today, I think that's fine. The other reason why it was just kind of like a little bit of cleanup on the floor and stuff was put in a box was because I went down a rabbit hole with Blender and all that stuff, even though it doesn't involve Blender from research that I had. I was advertised, I forget how, I think it was in a YouTube video that was in there, and I was like, oh, that looks interesting. Liquid Gen. So I thought it was an add-on, but as it turns out, it's actually a program all in its own, but it deals very well with simulations as far as like their first two, I believe, were fire and earth. So you could do things like make a little candle, make a large inferno, make, fire demon. And then they did earth, so you could make like a golem, you could make Saturn's rings, things like that. And then their most recent I don't know how recent it is actually, but they tried their hand at liquid, and apparently it's very good. Is it $300 good? I don't know, but they also have a free version, which I think I'm going to try out, but I'm still on the fence because I'm still kind of feeling out how flip fluids kind of works for me. Because if I can get rivers, and if I can get showers, and if I can get rain, then, you know, full steam ahead. But, yeah, so, went down a research rabbit hole, and I didn't leave myself a lot of time to do a lot of deep thinking into how stuff down there Tetrised into spaces over here. And that's about it. So I have to, in the future, decide against a $75 Flip Fluids add-on or a $300 entirely different EXE. But that workflow isn't all that bad. I mean, it's just I do everything that I want to in Blender, and I think the animation as well, just, everything fundamental. And then I import that, or export that out, and then import that into Liquid Gen. At least that's what I've researched so far. I only have about 8 hours worth of research on the topic, so I'm not exactly sure how the workflow really goes, but I also haven't exactly activated the demo yet, so, But yeah, so, today's Wednesday, right? All right. Progress?